Welcome traders to Trading Talk episode 57. In today's video we expand upon what we did in episode 55. We focused on the entry in episode 55. Today on episode 57 we're going to be focusing on the exit. I'd like to also invite you all to the International Trading Championship. Our top trader Siang from Malaysia is now up over 200%. He's doing a fantastic job and I would encourage all of you to participate and give yourself the best possible opportunity to go into the prize pool valued of over $50,000. Further to that, we've got our Algo Trading Conference in 2018 set to be delivered in December 15th at the Sofitel Hotel on Collins Street. We've got three world-class traders, Dr. Tom Stark, who is the CEO of AAA Quants, Kevin Davey, who's a world trading champion, and Ellie Gali, our own head of trading. I'd encourage you to do research into all of these traders as you can realize the caliber of presenters that we have there and the models that we'll be able to share with you. On a final note, if you wish to get access to the full video like our members will be, please purchase the online intermediate workshop via the description below. There is a link there available for you for the online workshop. I look forward to seeing all of you with us building great trading systems. For now, happy trading. Speak to you soon.